My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and totally fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site powenyart.com. Powenyart.com is a malicious site that shows fake human verification alerts. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But if people mistakenly agree with that proposal and if they click on that allow button, this very moment the browser is hijacked. Very soon people start receiving a lot of unwanted pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. So you need to do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this powenyart.com, click on this button and remove the junk site from the list. Also, remove other deceptive sites from this list. Make sure you remove all of them. Now, I also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating your computer in order to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.